In today's video, I'm going to teach you emails not showing in Gmail inbox how to fix. If messages seem to be disappearing or not arriving where you expect, it's usually just a display or categorization issue, and we can clear it up quickly by adjusting a few settings inside Gmail. Start by opening your Gmail account in a web browser. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner for the small gear icon. That's the settings icon. Click it to open the quick settings panel. This panel controls how your inbox looks and behaves, so it's the best place to start when messages aren't showing up where they should. In the quick settings panel, scroll until you see inbox type. This setting determines how Gmail organizes and surfaces your messages. If it's set to one of the priority or category focused options, emails can get routed into different views. To keep things simple and visible, select Default. The default view places your messages in a straightforward layout so you're less likely to miss something important. Right under Default, you'll see a Customize button. Click Customize to control which tabs appear at the top of your inbox. You'll notice options like Social, Promotions, and Updates. For maximum visibility while troubleshooting, uncheck every tab except Primary. Leaving only Primary active ensures that general emails land right in front of you instead of being sorted into secondary tabs that you might not open as often. When you're done adjusting those checkboxes, look for the Save option and click it. This step applies the changes to your account. Give Gmail a moment to update. Your inbox may refresh automatically. These adjustments alone often resolve the issue by funneling all incoming messages into the primary view. If you've made those changes and still don't see what you're expecting, there's one more place to check. On the left side of Gmail, find the section with your labels and folders. If the list looks short, click More to expand it. In the expanded list, select All Mail. All Mail shows everything in your account, regardless of category or label, so it's a great way to confirm whether messages are present but were categorized or archived out of your main view. If your emails appear here, it means they're in your account and the visibility settings were the main issue. And that's it. With the default inbox type, only the primary tab enabled, and a quick look at all mail, you'll have a clear, uncluttered view that helps you catch every message. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Gmail tips and tutorials.